Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Thank you for tuning in, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great day, and I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today, guys, I'm going to be working on a old timer 25 OT. It had a broke tip. Somebody repaired that tip, but it don't look that bad. I'm not going to do anything to that blade but give it a new edge. It's got some patina on the blade. I'm going to clean it up really good. But this is a 25 OT folding hunter Schrade old timer. USA, of course. It's on this blade. It's a USA Made Schrade 25 OT folding hunter. Lanyard hole. I love that right there. We just going to clean it up and give it a deep cleaning and give this a new edge. And we're also going to grind this down a little bit so that point will be below the handle. See, right now it'll cut you if you ain't careful. The first old timer guy, the old timer line come out was introduced in 1958, but this old timer folding hunter come out in 1964, the same year as the 15 OT, the Deer Slayer. So this particular knife was made between 1964 and 1993. It come with a sheath. I don't have a sheath for this one. This one was given to me by Mr. Warren Lindsay from Dublin, Georgia. He met me at the Georgia Bushcraft event, and he gave me a bunch of knives. So we're fixing to clean this one up, give it its dignity back, and we're going to put it in my personal collection. I'm going to give the initial cleaning with my fabric wheel here on the 3-inch grinder. Now we're about to grind this down so this tip will be below the handle here, and we're going to give it a new edge. That's good now, see? Both sides, it's down. Now we're going to give it a new edge. I swear these old Schrades have the best carbon steel because it is like razor sharp now. Just from that little grind. Ain't a bad looking blade, but you can see it's pitted real bad. Cleaned up good though. I'm fixing to polish the bolsters. It's getting there. Still got some crud in here. Just rust I couldn't reach. See? Dirt, grime. Okay guys, here it is, the old timer 25OT folding hunter. The blade is pitted real bad. Gave it a new edge, as you can see. It's sharp too. I touched it up with my work sharp sharpener, and she's pretty sharp now. That's one good thing about these old Schrades. Good carbon steel in there. They'll sharpen up real quick. Same thing here. I hit it with my sharpener. You see that new edge on there? She's sharp. But listen to the snap. How about that? These old Schrades, I love them. Sure do. Old timers. How about that? You can tell it's got some age to it. It's got some wear. It's pitted, but it's still an excellent knife. The bolsters shined up real good. The handles look really good now. They're not as dry. I oiled it down with that Remington gun oil. But it's a good looking knife. I always like these here. The old timers and Uncle Henry's folding hunters. They're good knives. They really are. Pretty knife. Patina looks really good on that blade. Awesome knife. Well guys, again, that knife came from Mr. Warren. Again, guys, that knife came from Mr. Warren Lindsay from Dublin, Georgia. He met me up there at the Georgia Bushcraft. He gave me some knives, and this is one of them, but you can tell it cleaned up really good. It's just a beautiful knife now. Almost look like a Damascus steel, don't it? It's got so much patina, but it cleaned up good. I knew it would. I love cleaning these old knives up like this. And you can remember that blade was up above the handle. It is no more. And again, that little trick is just grinding that little piece down right here, that little bump right here. You had to grind it down some. And that corrected that problem. Good knife. Again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I always enjoy cleaning these knives up. I really do. But I just want to thank y'all again. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.